Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you get notified when we post more videos on the channel. Also, smash that thumbs up button. Help out my channel. Like, share, subscribe. We got a golf cart here a customer brought to us. Said it's intermittently going fast and slow. So we got it jacked up here. Underneath of it, we're going to place out the motor speed sensor. There's the original one there. First thing we're going to do is get it off of the golf cart here. Should have put this thing up on the lift, but too late now, didn't think about it. Alright, one second guys. First thing we're going to do is get those bolts right there, see what size they are, and get them broke loose. Alrighty guys, those bolts believe are 15/16. I'll get a 15/16 with a ratchet. Excuse me. Excuse me. Man, these things are in a tight spot. Probably would help if I'd have got a shallow socket. Yeah, we're gonna do that 1 second. Alright guys, we got it unplugged and we're getting the bolts undone from it here. This top bolt, we believe somebody rounded it off, because man, it's a stubborn puppy, that's for sure. See if I can reach up under my hand. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Man, no, that's sucker. Alright guys, let's fight to get that bolt right there out. Be right back with you. Alright guys, I got that stubborn bolt there out. Got the old one out. Now we're going to install the new one here. There's a part number there for you. Let's get it opened up out of the box here. Excuse me. There's the new one there. Even comes with new bolts. Look like they got bigger heads on it too. Alright, let's get this thing opened here. In case you guys were wondering, there's the magnet there. Still bolted to the motor. Excuse me. That magnet's an 11mm bolt. Let's get that out. Get the old magnet off. Alright guys, here is the old magnet. Here's the new one. And the bolt that goes in the new one. There's also a shorter bolt. So what we're going to do, just because we know the old bolt is correct, we're going to put that with the new magnet there that's got those not perfectly smooth on the washer. We're going to install it with the old bolt. Be right back with you. Got the Milwaukee up in there. Get her tightened down. Alright, now we're going to get the magnetic sensor cover installed. Be right back with you. Alright guys, now we got the new one installed here. Let's get it plugged in and get her buttoned up and take it out on the road. Alright guys, we're driving a golf cart here. We ain't got the speedometer sensor hooked up. See if it's any faster. Yeah, I can tell by the pickup it's definitely faster. Yeah guys, definitely can tell. It's faster. I'm just sitting there driving up the road. Excuse me. Can tell it's definitely got more torque. That's for sure. Definitely got more torque pulling up these hills and these country roads. Yeah, definitely a lot more torque. Well, isn't this a nice drive? We're just cruising the neighborhood. It's around 10:30 at night here. Definitely faster. I said definitely a lot more torque. This thing pulled right up that hill with no problem at all. Driving the dead stop here. Oh yeah. Thing moves. Oh wow. Yeah. A lot more power. So it's definitely worth changing out that high speed sensor. Alright guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, smash that thumbs up button, share this video. Y'all have a blessed day.